everyone. Today I will talk about series and parallel circuit in everyday life. Have you never thrown in an off switch but nothing works?
Maybe there is some problem in the circuit.
What is a series circuit?
A series circuit is a circuit that connects from one component to another component in one path.
If one component breaks, the whole circuit stops working.
What is a parallel circuit?
And parallel circuit is a circuit that connects from one electrical component to another component with a many path.
If one component breaks, the other component can still work.
But can find series circuit in daily life.
We can find them in flashlight and different lights.
What about parallel circuit?
We usually can find parallel circuit in home because the devices can work independently.
Now let's calculate total resistance in a series circuit.
If resistance 1 is 2 and resistance 2 is 3 and the resistance 3 is 5, so the total resistance is 10. Because in a series circuit, all resistance is added together.
Now let's use Ohm law.
Ohm's law explains the relationships between resistance, voltage, and the current. If the voltage is 10 volts and the resistance is 10 ohms, so the current is 1 ampere.
Why is it important to learn about electrical circuit?
Because it helps us to understand how electronic devices can work in everyday life.
What is the disadvantage of a series circuit?
If one component breaks, the entire circuit is not working.
What is the advantage of a parallel circuit?
Each device can work independently, so is it more practical for home and business. Series and parallel circuits is simple, but it's very important in everyday life. Thank you for watching and